Hello again, everyone. Okay, so before I went to work today, I got a really awesome package from Bosnian Bill. I couldn't wait to get home from work. I just got home a few minutes ago. I wanted to come home and play with my locks, and I told myself I wasn't going to pick one open and put one on video tonight. But I just can't help myself. I got two of these locks. This is a TSS. I've never seen one of these before. Obviously, if I'd never seen one, I never picked one. He gave me two of them. So I'm going to try to pick one and open it up and see what's inside. I don't think it's a challenge lock or anything. I didn't get any keys with it. I really don't know. But let's see if we can't open it and maybe we can see what's inside. Alright, I'm going to be using the bottom of the keylay. I'm going to use this wiper blade. And I'm going to try to come off the side with this Peterson Gem 15,000. There's a little piece of warding right there. I'm going to try to slip through. Alright, let's see what we got. One is loose. Two is loose. I think this is 3 or 4. Got a little click out of him. That's it. Got a little click out of 3, I think. And we're already open, guys. Alright, so I guess this isn't a challenge lock. Maybe he sent it to me to make one. So maybe I can make one eventually when I get the tools to do it. I'm going to be getting maybe a Dremel this weekend. I'm going to try to practice with a couple pins and see if I can make some pins. But I don't have a key for this, so I don't want to lock it up. Let me move this. Like I said, I don't think it's a challenge lock. I really don't know what's in there, but we're going to find out if we get the clip off. That's one thing I didn't order, is a clip remover. I probably should have. These can be a little bugger to get off sometimes. What do we got here? Alright, I don't want to lock this up. So, let's see if maybe I can pull it this way. No, that's not. Oh, okay, just gotta come out from the side. I see that. Hold on 1 second. I might have something with. Let me see if I can get it with this. Alright. Let's not lock it up, though. Alright, so we got the clip out. That worked pretty good. Alright, so pins are on this side. Ooh, I don't like the looks of that. I ordered some shims through Peterson when I'm getting the rest of my stuff. Should be in this week. Maybe I do have this feeler gauge. Maybe I can get this in there. Because there's a ledge on this. And there's a bunch of openings, so. Maybe I'm not going to get this in there, guys. Doesn't look like there's any room for a shim, period. Oh man, there's a good sized gap there too. You know what? I might have to do it this way and hope that I don't drop any pins. Alright, I'm going to try it this way, guys. Alright, what I do with my tweezers, they were right here. I got my stuff everywhere. here. Okay, here we go. Alright, let's see what we got up here. I'm going to try not to drop these pins in the back. Yeah, number 1, just a standard. Oh, no, number 5 rather. Unless it's 6, I'm not sure. And I did drop a key pin already. 2 key pins. This is number 2. That's number 1. Yeah, I think this is all going to be standard, guys. But I had to see. Yep. Another standard. Another standard. Not much to look at, guys. But I had to find out for myself. Still a great lock anyways, because oh, I put those key pins here. Those were 2. Okay, there's the 5th one, so it's only 5. There's number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that must have been a key pin. Maybe number 4. I'm really screwing this up. Yeah. Because there's number 3. Seems like I'm missing one though. I might actually be missing, oh, here it is. Really doesn't matter, guys. These are all standard. There's the other key pin. Try to knock out number 3. Yeah. Not much to look at, but nevertheless, I can make a nice lock out of this myself. Oh, starting to drop the springs. Alright, so, but anyways, real quick, when I opened up these packages, I really didn't even notice that I had a couple of challenge locks, and they're both pinned by West Coast Picks. This is the Arrow. He calls it the Big Easy. And I have one more pinned by him too, over here. This one here is the High 5, pinned by West Coast. These will be coming up in videos. These are 2 challenge locks I got, and along with the shutter lock. I'm going to pick that too when I get some dipple picks. But, alright guys, well, hope you enjoyed the video. Wasn't much of, but thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, comment below. And if you don't have the permission from the owner, don't open it. Thanks, guys. Bye.